Hey guys, the brand sent me this pedal resistance band for free so I can check it out and create this video. I wanted to show you how easy it is to use and the features. Now the first thing about this is it's very high quality. You can see it here in the handlebars. It has this soft material here so you can keep a tight grip and still be comfortable. You can also see the quality here with this protective sleeve over the resistance bands. And here in the foot pedals, you can see the quality as well. Nice and padded, comfortable for your feet. And over here, you got carabiner clips. That's how you're gonna attach the resistance bands to the handlebars and the foot supports. Now they do give you 3 resistance bands and each one of them is a 30 pound. So you can do your exercise with either 30 pounds, 60 pounds, or 90 pounds. This one little device is gonna give you several exercises and work out several parts of your body. You can see them here. There's a waist training exercise, shoulder training. This is the arm training exercise, the leg training, chest training, abs training. There's a core training exercise here and back training. It's also portable, so you can take it with you to work or on vacation. They even give you this little bag here you can store it in and take it anywhere. So it really is an all-in-one home fitness solution and is high quality, easy to use. So if you're looking for an exercise device that works out several parts of your body, including your arm, shoulders, neck, legs, back, waist, and abdomen, this might be perfect for you.